Hey guys, welcome back to the Authentic Kings channel. Well, today I'm just gonna be showing you how to get your YouTube to which you can listen music offline and even while your phone is switched off. I don't mean that it's totally switched off, I just mean it's in the locked mode. So right now it's really easy. You have first of all to have the trick box. This trick box, I showed you how to download it in the last session, but I'm just gonna show you a short review on how to do it again. You have to get it on the Safari. Then you have to search for it. You're at the trickboxapp.com. Then to come this section, you'll have to install it. After you've installed, you'll go back to the settings, to where on the third row of your settings, right now there is nothing, but you have to find something called the profile downloads. Then you'll have to install it. After you have installed the application, the trickbox, if you please do not understand this, you have to go back to the last video of mine. You'll find it's really clear. You have to open the Trickbox app. After you've opened it, you go to the apps section, then you select Trickbox apps. After that, you have to search for it. You search for YouTube cercube. Sorry, if it's not right here, then you have to go back. You go to the tricked apps, then search again YouTube cercube. To some people, they're using the YouTube which I do not recommend because I don't find it so cool compared to this. When you get your YouTube cercube, it's much more advanced. You can even read right here in the description. It's very nice, and I'll even leave a link to the Trickbox app on the description, and I'll leave the link, I think, or the name of this application, so that it makes you easier. Then you have to install this. You have to install this application. Press install. I already have it, so it will not really install for sure because I already have it. Cancel. But what will happen is just like your normal YouTube application. You just go to your YouTube. It's right here. This YouTube of mine is the YouTube circuit. It still has the same interface as the old one. After you've opened it, find that I was listening to something. I'm sorry I won't play any song because I'm afraid of getting a copyright strike. But for sure, if I play a video,
Factsverse presents. Here's why dogs jump on you when you get home. Plus, 49 other meanings behind what they do.
This is the same way to the songs.
If you're a dog lover, help us spread the word about this video by clicking that like button. Also, be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss our future videos.
You get something.
Since dogs really can't talk, it's tough to know exactly what they're thinking. It's also difficult to understand why they do the things they do. Fortunately, there are a few experts who are sure that they